Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that is really crypto winter here and is really the next bull run just in 2024-25, what we should expect. The second thing I would like to talk about is a phishing attack, which targets NFT migration, which is on OpenSea, and several NFTs are stolen by now, so let's talk about that. And also, let's talk about the mining worldwide. So where should crypto miners go in a changing landscape? Because we do know that this is changing, but the miners are moving. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and I'm bringing them for you. Easy way, subscribe, bell button, all. That's it you have to do, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also check out the links under this video, many useful ones, plus a free course, of course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So many useful steps. And now it's time to move on to the market and see how that looks like. Well, things are in red for sure, because you see that Bitcoin is down 37,791, 1.2% down the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at 2,638 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, then we see actually Quant going up 9.5%. Waves, Terra is the second. What's that? Shiba Inu is on the second one with 5%, and then we have Terra with 4.6%, but of course not major increases. On the other hand, the losers in the last 24 hours, 8% down, Radix. Then we have Ikami, 7.5 down, and then the next one here is Convex Finance. So if you're looking at the last 24 hours, but yes, we definitely are going down now. What I wanted to show you this is the weekly time frame, so the weekly candles. And actually, so far, put it this way, so far, we are on the weekly on an increasing trend. Why? Because as you can see here, if I draw this trend line, we are here above it, which here we're forming higher highs and higher lows so far. Of course, when we're going down to 30 and even more, if this is going to happen, this is going to totally change. But this is what we can see. I wouldn't say that we are, like bullish or something, because, for instance, when we're looking at this typical, which decides you are in a bull market, on the bear market, kind of this 200 moving average. And I highlighted here this blue line. Well, what can I say? We're well below it. This is here, so we should stay above it to being in a bullish mode. And we had a very nice try here, but didn't work out. So far, we're still forming here higher lows. And will this stay? These are the levels. Between this 40 to 40,000, we have the 38. This is where we're staying right now. But pretty much the next one here, without this wick, when we're looking at this 30,000, which you have seen in the past, could be the support. So now we really watching what's happening next. But overall, because of the situation, what we witnessing right now in the world, like this Ukraine-Russian situation and several other things, that the economy is not too strong. It's causing problems on the stock market, and it's causing problems, therefore, also in the whole investment world, therefore also in the crypto market. But now let's talk about the first topic. And the first topic is that a couple of industry experts predicts that actually crypto winter is coming, and the next bull market could be rather in 2024, 2025. So, we can see that we're actually going down quite heavily since November. Yes, we have seen a bottom, but was that the final bottom? That what we don't know. What we do missing it's definitely the blow off top what we have witnessed back in 2013 and 2017. And this is what we all predicted that, okay, we're looking for the next blow off top. It could be probably end of 2021. Well, it did not happen, and it hasn't happened since. Therefore, a couple of people believe now, some who are here for a while, that actually we might have to wait until the next halving, which is probably in 2024 springtime some point. After that, just as it happened back in 2020, the end of the year 2024, and then the beginning of 2025 and 2025 could be the next real true bull run. We will see phases that we're going up and then we're going down, but not two big things will happen. This is what they predict, a couple of them. And this article is also about it. However, a possible crypto winter would be pretty helpful for the industry by giving boost in improvement technology, according to Vitalik Buterin. So what he was saying, that the winter are the time when a lot of those applications fall away, and you can see which projects are actually long-term sustainable, like both in their models and their teams and their people. So this is actually true, that when we're witnessing a bull market, then everything looks great. And even you can have shady projects which look shiny from the outside, but rotten from the inside. However, if a bear market period is coming, then these are the ones which cannot survive. And then you can truly see the real diamonds which can make it to the next bull run. So this is true. Of course, it's a painful one if you are right now in losses, and then what you're saying, oh, okay, then I would like to have some gains pretty soon. It would be nice, but I cannot make it because the market is not moving in that direction. Well, this is the reason why you always should take profit on the way up. Some profit, nobody takes, nobody knows where the top is and takes everything out. This is just a matter of luck. But if you take profits on the way up, then you're always in profit, bottom line. If you're too late to the game in a way that you just have joined not that long ago, so some point in 2021, you are more maybe in the minus right now. But don't forget, those who are in great profit, and it's not just based on luck, but their strategy, are mostly here for years. Because even in a year in crypto, it's a long time, because the whole crypto market is like 13 years old. But still, if you are just late to the game, especially at the end of this bull phase, you arrive, then you're thinking like, what the heck is going on here? But when you zoom out and you see the long-term perspective, you're looking at from 2009 up till 2022, where we are right now, you can see that we are going up very nicely. And of course, there are projects, they collapse and disappear. There are more than 11,000 altcoins. Well, the majority just cannot make it, simply. It's just like a money-making thing. But there are true projects which are really good, and now this period can show which one is the survivor. However, I'm not saying that now it's like 100%. We are in a crypto winter forever, and not forever, but for a long time. Anything can happen. But we do know where we are right now, and I always believe that we should think about both opportunities. What if we go up, and what if we won't go up for a while? You should be prepared for that if you are in crypto. Okay, next topic I would like to discuss is all about the phishing attack, basically, which targets the NFTs migration on OpenSea. Well, OpenSea, on OpenSea right now, basically migration going on. The reason for that is that they relisting basically those projects which are listed already, but they would like to clear the whole situation. Which one is listed, which shouldn't be listed. So those who would like to keep listing it, they have a kind of deadline until the 25th of February to do so for free, but you really should pay attention to do it on OpenSea if you do so, because there is here a phishing attack, and basically this used the short time frame, because OpenSea gave us just like a 7-day period, like from the 18th to the 25th, and the hacker or the attacker sent out emails saying that okay, then you should do this kind of migration through the link they provide. There was a button you could click. Here I can show you. Here we go. So this is how it looks like. And then people clicked on it and then connected the MetaMask and everything, lost their NFTs. And OpenSea didn't react for a while on this whole thing, and it took for a while until they announced it that this is probably a phishing attack going on and they would like to invest in this whole thing. So in another article, I could read that about $1.7 million, here is like, yeah, 1.8, $1.7 million was lost in NFTs. People who actually send their NFTs to that fake address thinking they're just doing this kind of migrate process, but actually it went totally wrong. So there's like a, very, very unhappy people on the NFT market, many of them. Also blaming OpenSea a little bit. So what the heck is going on? So it's not a good mood right now. It also helped to decrease the prices, what we're witnessing as well. But of course, this kind of Ukraine-Russian conflict situation is still on. So we have to wait for those news as well. The most FUD coming from the US at the moment. But now back to this OpenSea attack. So guys, chill, wait now what's happening here, why they do this investigation. Even if you would like to do this kind of migrate process, you have time till the 25th, so you're not in the rush at all. And always do it, from the OpenSea website, from your account, and watch out that it's really the OpenSea's website, and never ever do anything, not OpenSea, whatever. You never refresh crypto from an email, because it's many times could be a phishing attack. Watch out for that. Even Ledger, when they send you something that, your crypto is in danger and you should redo your passphrase or whatever. No, don't do it, because mostly they are, attacks. And always double check with the company if you can. And check out things before you act, but the best way is to doing from their website or from Ledger Live in Ledger's case, and so on and so forth. Okay, and the third thing is that let's talk a little bit about the mining worldwide map, because it's kind of moving on for a while since China banned crypto. Then we redrew this kind of map. Okay, so we can see that miners basically moving. The biggest move was because of China banned Bitcoin and this Bitcoin transaction, Bitcoin mining back in May 2021. And this was, China's aggressive policy towards mining and complete ban, which activated in September. So many of them moved to the United States. So the world's new mining mecca was some of, left to Scandinavia and other nearby Kazakhstan because of cheap electricity bill. But the new mecca is now the United States. And when we're talking about the United States, we're talking about mostly about Texas. The most prominent location for miners worldwide may be Texas right now. Its huge amount of wind and solar power are causing a surplus of affordable energy, because basically miners go where energy is cheap. And then we have Latin America. Countries have been expanding a considerable effort to attract miners, with El Salvador in particular showing a favorable attitude towards mining. Don't forget, they said Bitcoin could be their legal currency since last year, September, the first country in the world saying that. Then we have Costa Rica is also gradually becoming mining friendly due to low electricity prices. Argentina was very popular, by the way, among miners until the government decided recently to cut subsidies for miners and raise taxes on mining activities. So that wasn't in the favor of miners. And the question is, mining is still possible in Europe? Yes, it is. However, crypto mining operations in Europe remain relatively limited as high electricity price aim the energy crisis and generally skeptical attitude towards cryptocurrencies from regulators make crypto firms think twice before locating to the continent. So Europe is not their favorite because, you know, we have this conflict now between Ukraine and Russia, and let's see how the electricity prices will rise. So Europe is definitely not the cheap one. However, when we're looking at here, cryptocurrency mining is flexible. Adaptive industry and firms have proven they are willing to relocate to more beneficial locations should their current one prove less than ideal. And I think this is the key line, that 65% was back in China in the beginning of last year. Now there is almost like none. And 2 years ago we had US like 4%. Now they have like 35% the leaders. So yes, miners can move. It's no problem. And they can simply continue. And yes, there will be countries on the map which will be vanished from crypto mining because of ban or some other issues. But they can move on and definitely keep the Bitcoin network working. And I think this is very important. This shows how Bitcoin network can actually survive. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Tomorrow, I will be a guest speaker here in Hungary at the yearly blockchain event. So I won't make an English video, but I will be back on Wednesday with the freshest. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.